Hi guys, we've heard for some time that Samsung is getting ready to unveil the Galaxy XCover 6 Pro, with leaks suggesting a tough handset with respectable power. The device is supposedly coming soon, along with a robust tablet, according to the Korean brand. On July 13, Sam Mobile stated that Samsung issued an email to partners confirming an online event. The image of the Galaxy XCover 6 Pro is broadly in line with previous leaks, showing a water drop notch and prominent chin. Otherwise, previous leaks point to the phone gaining a Snapdragon 778G chipset, 6GB of RAM, an FHD Plus display, and a 3.5mm port. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already, then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, it is expected that this upcoming phone will come with a 6.6 inches, 16.76 centimeters display that will have a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. Hence, you will have an immersive viewing experience while playing games or watching videos. The phone is touted to come with 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage. You will not have to worry about space constraints while saving your files such as videos, songs, games, documents, and more. In addition to this, the upcoming phone is rumored to be powered by a Octa core, 2.4 GHz, single-core, Kryo 670 plus 2.2 GHz, tri-core, Kryo 670 plus 1.9 GHz, quad-core, Kryo 670, processor that will let you enjoy a smooth and faster performance. Also, you will be able to access multiple applications and play intense graphics games without any lags or interruptions. Speaking about the optics, the upcoming Samsung phone is likely to come with a single camera setup on the rear. There is rumored to be a 50 megapixels plus 8 megapixels that will let you click some amazing pictures. Features on the rear camera setup might include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. On the front, the mobile is rumored to come with a 13 megapixels front camera for clicking selfies and making video calls. It is touted that the Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro will run the Android V12 operating system and will be housing a 4050 mAh battery. This will let you use the phone for a longer time period while listening to songs, watching movies, playing games, and more. Various connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro might include Wi-Fi, 802.11bgn, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, version 5.0, and 5G supported by device 4G, 3G, 2G. Sensors on the smartphone might include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope. Samsung will also unveil the Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro alongside the XCover 6 Pro. This is also very robustly constructed and intended for identical scenarios as the rugged phone. However, it does not have a removable battery. Instead, you will find the S Pen on board, as usual for Samsung tablets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.